Hey, what is going on, everybody? Sean Faber here from the Snapshot Marketplace, bringing you the kitchen remodeling snapshot. This is built on a tried and true funnel system, architecture, whatever you want to call it. This makes money. Makes money for your clients. It's easy to set up and it's easy to manage, and it is effective. So let's move forward. So okay, there's going to be three main areas that I want to walk you through that this snapshot is built on. First thing is the custom values. One quick update here, or one quick run through here, will have your entire snapshot completely set up for your client. So you can see here, everything is filled in. We got the logo, the discount, the name of the service, the area. All of those are built on the custom values here. So the name of the offer, the 72-hour kitchen upgrade, $1,000 off is what you're offering, or up to $1,000 off. The market name, Myrtle Beach. The logo, you can just upload that here. Upload it into the media area and then copy and paste the link here. Your agency name and email address. These are going to be used to deliver all of the leads and appointments to your client. Once you get a domain connected to the funnel, because right now it's just like the dummy domain. Once you get a domain connected, you're going to copy and paste those here for the booking link and the opt-in page link. Those are used for your automations. So those will pre-populate with the links that you put in here, and then whatever tracking phone number you're going to use, whether it's Lead Connector, Twilio, Google Call, Grasshopper, CallRail, whatever. Just make sure that tracking phone number is set here. You want it to be specific for your online campaigns, and you want it to match the business. So do all of your A2P, verification stuff before you get this set up. All right, so that is the custom values. That'll take you about 5 minutes to do. After that, it'll populate everything on this 3-step funnel. We have the offer claim page, the appointment booking page right here. Book a time for us to come check out your kitchen, blah, 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 blah. Got the nice high resolution image of a remodeled kitchen in the background. Same one that matches the home page. And then the third page is the appointment confirmed page right here. So on this one, it'll say appointment confirmed. It'll give the time, and you want a smiling picture of the team right here in the middle. The actual people that are going to be stepping into the house and shaking hands and giving the quote, those are the people or the person that you're going to want on this picture on the confirmation page, because it just works. It disarms the people. It gives them peace of mind, being able to see and look into the eyes of the people that they're going to be letting into their house. And the last step of this snapshot is the automations. We have first you can see here, like this automation list and all the custom values, everything is labeled appropriately. So if you have another snapshot already uploaded to the sub account, you can upload this one as well. It won't overwrite everything, and you'll be able to see exactly what values and automations are attributed to this particular snapshot. We have all of the basics but effective automations here. The appointment confirmation reminder, this is a little more beefed up than the basic one you get with high level. The auto missed call text back, same thing. The new lead notification, so it instantly notifies the business owner, as well as sends out an email and text message to the lead to confirm. Birthday templates, so keep track of your birthdays of all your customers. Reach out, give them a discount for future service, or give them a referral bonus for anyone that they send your way. Database reactivation, you're going to go ahead and reach out and reactivate all of your past clients to come in and give their kitchen a refresh, or maybe cross-sell like a bathroom remodel or something. Follow up for people that didn't close. If appointments cancel, we have an automation here. No-show reactivation for people that don't show up to the virtual or in-person estimate meeting. Review request, this is the basic recipe, it comes with high level. A review request campaign, and then a Google My Business automation that goes out. So this can be completely set up for your client in less than an hour. It'll be everything you need to run their business. Now go ahead and make yourself and your clients a whole lot of money.